Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel AmBank credit card. Canceling an AmBank credit card is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in ambank.com.my and search. You will then find yourself in the official website. From where, scroll down and on the right hand corner, you will be able to see a phone number. You can make a call on the particular number displayed in order to cancel your credit card. But before canceling your credit card, make sure that there is no outstanding balances in it. Clear any pending payments to avoid any complications during the cancellation process. Also, if your credit card has accumulated reward points or cashback, redeem them before canceling your card. Once you are done, and make sure of that, you can go ahead and call on the displayed number and the customer service officer will assist you with canceling your credit card. Be prepared to provide necessary details such as your card number and personal information. And that is how you will be able to cancel your AmBank credit card. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Also make sure to smash the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.